Have some plain candles lying around? Grab a mixer and some wax and try this for the holidays. Begin by breaking apart and melting the wax. Once the wax is melted, pull it off the heat and let cool for about 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure it doesn't harden, you are just wanting it to cool down. Next, add a scent if desired. You can purchase candle scents in the candle making section of any craft store. After that, grab a hand mixer and begin mixing the wax. Don't worry about ruining your mixer, you can melt the wax right off by throwing it in the dishwasher. Continue to do this until it's the consistency of thick whipped cream and it will be able to stand up on its own. Following that, grab a round candle and apply your wax using a spoon and your hands. You will definitely want to lay something down to protect your surface as this can get messy. Repeat this as many times as you want and let them dry. These candles are such a cute way to add a winter touch to any room. Make a centerpiece, dress up a shelf, or some holiday candlesticks. The possibilities are endless. These also make the perfect gift and can be used all winter long. Have some flameless candles lying around? Try this! First, melt and mix the wax the same way we did with the snowball candles. Next, grab your flameless candles and apply. Add some white glitter to make your snow sparkle. You can also add colored glitter for a more funky look. Repeat this as many times as you want and let them dry. These snow mound candles add such a cozy touch to any room, and since they're flameless, they'll last forever. I hope this inspires you to create your very own snowball candles this winter. Happy holidays! I'll see you on my next video. Hey YouTube! Thanks for watching! To never miss another Hometalk video, click here to subscribe, and to be inspired for your next DIY project, click here.